shit, ladies and gentlemen. My job and my purpose in life is almost complete. Apparently, there's a certain YouTube plumber who's stuck in the 20th century. There's a certain YouTube plumber who's stuck in the 20th century, but my mission and goal in life is almost complete. Today, this certain old school YouTube plumber posted a video of installing a Bosch heat pump HVAC system. Now, only if we can get this certain YouTube plumber to get away from the silver solder and actually braze when installing a line set and connecting HVAC equipment. If we accomplish that, I'd have to retire. I think I would actually retire. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. I am ecstatic. I am absolutely ecstatic. What a great week it's been. I just finished up dinner with a very dear friend of mine that we haven't hung out with in probably over 10 years. Had an amazing dinner at this great restaurant on Central Avenue in Lawrence and the Five Towns. Of course, it was glot kosher. Amazing. We had an amazing day at Pipe Doctor. You know, sold another Bosch. Thank God. You know what? We are starting to show people the value in having ultra high efficiency heat pump products. Now, our go-to product would be the Bosch IDS Premium, the 2.1 connected heat pump inverter. You know, the inverter ducted system, that's what IDS stands for. You know, it's a unitary system. You know, you have a outdoor heat pump condensing unit, you have an indoor blower. Phenomenal efficiency. And with dozens of speeds on the inverter, also known as a compressor, but not really. The equivalent is mind-blowing. You're essentially, you know, giving your air conditioning system a gas pedal like you have in your car. Imagine getting into your car and either pedal to the metal or off. And that's the only option you have. Imagine that. But with this inverter technology, it's just so energy efficient. And when you have the right tools and you present it in a way people can understand, it really makes, I wouldn't say the job, but it allows you to present plenty of options to the end user, the consumer, the homeowner, where they can make the best decision for themselves. That's why my company, Pipe Doctor, you know, for our go-to HVAC replacement brand is the Bosch. It's a phenomenal machine. It's the equivalent of an LED light bulb to heat and cool your home. Recently, this past summer, you know, we're giving a good and a best option. A good option, not too much cheaper, a Rheem heat pump, 2-stage, 17 SEER, 16 SEER, you know, SEER 2.0 for New York. Slightly less of a price point, entry point, than a Bosch IDS Premium. And the best, in my eyes, Bosch. You know what? You install it properly, you size it properly, you do the proper manual J-low calculation in the home. There's no worry about humidity controls. You throw on surge protection on the outdoor unit. You don't have to worry about having an electrical issue killing that $2,000 board. Listen, granted, everything man-made subject to failure at any given time. That's the nature of the beast, right? But anything man-made is subject to failure. So if I have 100 installed Bosch systems and 100 installed Rheem systems, what do you think the failure rate's gonna be better at or worse at? You know? anything man-made is subject to failure. And like I tell my clients, you want to do your due diligence, please. But keep in mind, when you have a bad experience with something, you are going to go online, you're going to talk about it and post about it, right? You're not going to post about the good times and the great times out there. That's just the way humans work with our personalities. We want to, we want to share our negative things with people. So if you have a great experience with an HVAC contractor, you know what? You're probably going to tell 1 or 2 people. You have a bad experience with a plumbing and HVAC contractor, you're going to tell as many people as you can. And that's statistically proven. You piss off, that one customer, they're going to tell 10 people. You take care of that one customer, they're going to tell 1 or 2. Facts. So we had a great first week and a half. Granted, we had the 4th of July last week on Thursday, so we were closed a little early on Wednesday. Thursday we're off, Friday we're off, but a phenomenal first 11 days. And out of those 11 days, we had last week, Monday, Tuesday, a little bit Wednesday, all right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 days. And if I told you what we accomplished as a company in 7 days, you'd be like, Mikey Pipes, what a great job. But we're a small family-owned operated company. And we're presenting our clients, our homeowners, with facts and let them make the best decision for them. I have some great news coming up in the next couple weeks. Guys, I'm going to tell you a little hint. We have a Tesla Cybertruck. We have a Bosch IDS 5-ton 2.1 connected system. Does your EV power your HVAC? Ours does. So real quick, over the next several weeks, over the next month or two, we're going to start putting together a curriculum for contractors, and we're going to do training by contractors for contractors. Forget about going to Johnstone or your favorite HVAC or plumbing distributor, your supply house, right? We're going to offer true training in-house for contractors by contractors. Forget about all this sales nonsense, right? Yes, it's great to have that, but the more you know, the more you can sell to your consumers, your end users, your homeowners, right? Develop and strengthen those relationships. Show that you care and bring value to the table, and the world is your oyster. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So in closing, remember this, ladies and gentlemen. Knowledge is power. And the more you know, the more you're worth. And the more you're worth, the more you can provide for yourself and for your family. My name is Mike Diack. It's been a pleasure to speak to you this evening. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.